So this is talks about our article. And our article, one of the great things about our article is that, traditionally businesses were based on, you think of upstream versus downstream, and we'll show like upstream is just sourcing, production, logistics, innovation. Most companies or most people, it's easy to think like we have a great product, or if we make a great product, or we can deliver a great product, or we can source great raw materials to make a great product, we can sell it. People will buy it. And this is sort of the mentality of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is always famous for saying, if you build it, kind of, they will come, meaning that we don't do market research because people don't know what they want. We tell them what they want. And there's another famous quote of like Ford saying that people won't buy, why would people buy cars when they can buy horses or something like that? Uh, that's like traditional marketing. But if you are category king, which means you're Uber or you're Apple with the smartphone or the Apple with the iPad, and you're a first player, you can get away with upstream based. But the majority of companies are not first players or category kings. And so you need to understand what your consumers want and deliver products that meet their needs. So you're shaping the customer perception. You're innovating products that they need. You're looking for trends throughout the big data that's available to deliver a marketing strategy and deliver the value that those people want. There's examples of companies now, what they'll do is they'll get huge Facebook groups of, hundreds of thousands of people, and they'll communicate with that group, and throughout that group, they'll basically let that group of people design the product, come up with the name, the colors, the entire process. So then when they produce the product, it's exactly what they want. Because the idea is that building quality products is not that hard. And your product to the next company's product to the next company's products are not that different. But you need to show how your product is different through your marketing strategy and building a story or letting them understand what they want so they value this product and they think it's better than the other products.